The phrase for come here in Spanish is ven aquí. It's a simple and commonly used phrase that you can use to call someone to come closer to you. Ven aquí is a friendly and informal way to ask someone to come to you. It can be used among friends, family, or even with strangers in casual situations. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in different contexts, whether you're trying to get someone's attention or you want to show them something. It's worth noting that the word aquí means here in Spanish, so ven aquí literally means come here. However, there are other ways to ask someone to come closer in Spanish, such as acercate or ven acá. These phrases are also commonly used and convey a similar meaning. So next time you need to call someone over in Spanish, remember to use the phrase ven aquí or one of its variations. It's a simple and effective way to get someone's attention and ask them to come closer to you. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish.